I tried the Coil brush, and I put 2 come in the pack, but I found the 2 was awkward, and so I was just using 1. But anyway, I shampooed my hair with my trial shampoo and deep conditioner that may be coming soon. And then while my hair was wet, I detangled using, I felt like my hair needed something heavier to seal in the water, so I used the castor oil instead of the milk, which is what I usually use. So I used the castor oil this time. Usually I use the milk, but castor oil, comb that through, brush that through, and then some whipped shea to kind of seal it in and still give me something heavy. And I plaited my hair into 4 plaits, and then I went about my day. I wrapped my hair up in my turban, and now that I'm about to go somewhere, I'm twisting my hair, and I'm gonna put it in a fancy wrap because I don't necessarily want to go to this event and speak on a panel with these dookie twists in my hair. So my hair was damp but not wet, so I took some water, sprayed my hair, and to get the fine tangles out, I used the curved contour brush to get it to, get the minor, the little tangles that the cosmology brush that I use. And so, I'm twisting my hair. And the downside, why I don't like the coil brushes, okay, I can't have it on my finger while I'm doing this part, okay? So I flat twist my hair a little bit at the end, at the root, and then I twist. So you see, it looks like that when I'm doing bigger twists. And so with my hair having oil and water, when I put this on my hand to do this, right, I'm thinking this is how you're supposed to use it. It starts twisting. Okay, so when I put it on, the bristles were like right at my finger pad, but as I'm twisting and using it as I twist, it is also twisting, and so I have to constantly adjust it so it feels comfortable on my finger. And then I just feel like I twisted so much slower because I had this thing on my finger. Okay, so could be me, because I got fast braider hands. That's, that's what I did. But y'all saw how long it took me to twist that part. Okay, so I'm about to twist without using the coil brush, so you can see how much faster it is without it. So for me, it's a no, like not for my hair, not for my twisting skill level, but for someone else, it might work. All right, here we go. Dampen it. Okay, so the flat twist part done, brush it a little bit. Comb little ends. and then I'm done. So again, for me, the coil brush is something that makes the process slower. And I don't think that is the goal, to prolong wash day or twist day any longer than it already is. If you do not have kinky, coily hair like I do, it might work for you. Or if you are twisting your hair dry, so it's not, so you don't have that moisture making the brush like slippery on your finger, that might work for you. But I always use some product, and even when I'm dry twisting my hair, I do like put a little bit of something on it to give it some dampness. So yeah, nah, it was a good idea in theory, but in use, executing it nah. Maybe if they had something to stabilize it on the finger, maybe, but as far as I'm concerned, it's a no from me, dog. All right. Fancy out. Well, I'll let y'all finish watching me do that.